So in this video I want to talk about the short Australian dollar against the US dollar position. Now what's interesting about this is that the US dollar what I was going to say is what's interesting about the short Australian dollar against the US dollar position is that the US dollar has actually been performing quite weakly. If you look at that, that's the US dollar index. It's been performing quite weakly recently, and the Australian dollar against the US dollar has still failed to break higher. So that kind of, to me, indicates that the Australian dollar is really not doing too well, because with the US dollar performing so weakly and the Australian dollar still failing to really break higher, break above the kind of resistance that it's formed, I don't think that really bodes too well for the Australian dollar. You look at that kind of comparison. So the way I look at it is, if it does break below 0.675, which is around that level, I think I would actually want to add to this short Australian dollar position, just because of the fact that despite the US dollar weakness recently, Australian dollar has failed to break higher. That resistance has really held quite well, and that's the rationale behind adding to the trade. Not to mention that I have a fairly small position in the short Australian dollar position, so only 0.72%. It would be nice to actually build that position up a little bit. So that's it for this trade.